within the University of South Carolina, it is really easy to find organizations that are inside of your major and outside of your major. And I always recommend finding one of each. So the professional interest organization, I always recommend because it offers you opportunities to take leadership positions, which looks really good to employers and also helps you with public speaking, interrelationships between coworkers. And then outside of your major, a club like water polo or chess, it's just fun to build those relationships and succeed at the University of South Carolina.
For me to be a part of those groups, it really means it's like a family thing to me. When you get out here and get a part of these student organizations, you really build a community around yourself, so you're not going through it alone. You have people that can relate to you, people who are like you that can relate to you, and it's really just helpful. So what it really means to me is like encouragement.
Once I found my home in Society of Women Engineers, we call it SWE especially, that's kind of when I started getting really close with the girls in the club, and I realized the community was really awesome, and I just loved going to meetings and talking to everyone. It was great that we had companies come and talk to us too. It helped me learn more about the opportunities available to me as an engineering major and as a woman engineering major. So there are definitely some really great chances to make friends here with the organizations.
A lot of the opportunities I had with the various clubs within CEC, the first one I will always be thankful for is NSBE, NSBE, the National Society for Black Engineers. It gives us a niche, it gives us a place to say, we matter, we belong here.
Research is actually a really big part of the College of Engineering and Computing. I firsthand have experienced professors who they'll either ask openly, is anyone looking to do research this summer, or as a part-time job, we have an opening. Or I'll go to professors and they'll either set me up with a job with their laboratory, or they'll refer me to another professor if I have an interest in a different project. For instance, my sophomore summer, I worked in the McNair Aerospace Center testing Kevlar fibers, and currently I'm working on battery prognostics for the Navy. So there's really a big range of projects you can work on here.
The benefits for undergraduate students to perform research and to be active members of research teams is a win-win situation. The benefits of undergraduate research are numerous, they are unquantifiable, and for me, I fundamentally believe that this is a cornerstone for the education of undergraduate students.
I want to be a veterinarian researcher, veterinarian scientist. So through my work in Dr. Spinelli's lab, I was introduced to the laboratory animal veterinarian because he does a lot of animal work. He does cardiovascular translational research. And because of that, I was able to design my own senior research project, which was then very kindly accepted by the senior capstone engineering department.
We do a lot of research. We have increased our research budget from about 18 million a year to about 32 million in 4 years, and we are on path to get to about 45 million. We do a lot of work with Department of Defense, Department of Energy, and we are going to expand our relationship with Savannah River National Lab, which is in our backyard.
It's really helpful to get out there and see different parts of the engineering profession. It's one of the things that I got out of my abroad experience was seeing how the country of Thailand dealt with engineering problems. Studying abroad can be tricky, and a lot of engineering programs don't set you up well to be able to do that. University of South Carolina absolutely did. That was really cool to be able to see a whole different side of the profession, and definitely interested me. And just immersing yourself in a culture is valuable for anybody.
I've had a lot of undergraduate research experiences that have really helped me grow as a person and will definitely support me in my future endeavors.
My advice for someone thinking about where they want to go to college is to pick somewhere that you know that there's going to be a strong community. And we have that here at the University of South Carolina in the College of Engineering and Computing.